All right, so where we're at, all the mounts are back in. This axle was in. This one has to be put in yet, but right before we pulled it in here, I realized the heater hose on the bottom was leaking. So again, the old car coming in to save us. And we're gonna swap that out quick, get this axle back in, radiator, battery, the air tube, and I think we are ready to fire up and try this bad bee out.
You're giving me a coolant shower!
Let me fix that quick. Yes! That's been entirely too long. So long that I don't remember where the tank is. Go ahead and shut it down. Here we go, first rip in almost 3 freaking months. I am excited. Clutch feels good. I have a little bit of a fuel leak, but we'll fix that when we get back. Nothing to stop us from ripping it. Oh, that clutch grabs, dude. It grabs. It's the best this thing's ever felt. Wow. She's a ripper.
Yeah, you can say that.
Go down here, we'll get some gas in it since it's leaking.
That'd probably be a good idea.
Uh-huh. Tire spin.
Notice how we're taking it for a rip in the middle of a snow squall.
Oh, the windows are dirty.
This whole car is dirty, man. It's greasy.
Man, I don't remember having that much play.
Is this sort of a last lap before we die or or something?
It very well may be.
Yeah, well.
It was like the whole ride the day I wrecked the old car. I'm gonna have to clean the tune up. It's running a little fat.
Susie, you're running fat.
She's a fat one. I just hope the battery has enough charge when we shut it off down here, it'll start again. Remember how the sheet on this clutch said 750 miles, be nice, break it in? That lasted 30 feet.
Void the warranty. No.
I think where we're heading, ain't no warranty covering that.
Wow. How do you see where you're going?
I really don't.
So you're kind of like doing that Star Wars stuff?
Yep.
We might have to cut that out later because of copyright infringement and
Yeah.
such.